Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Beerakaya Thokku Pachadi, a delicious ridge gourd peel chutney. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. Ensure your ridge gourd peels are thoroughly washed and completely dry. Next, prepare a small amount of tamarind pulp by soaking it in warm water for about 10 minutes. This initial preparation is key for a flavorful and authentic pachadi. Now, let's move on to roasting our key ingredients to unlock their full flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add the ridge gourd peels, roasting them until they are soft and slightly browned. Finally, incorporate the green chilies and tamarind pulp, sautéing for about 2 minutes. Once your roasted ingredients have cooled completely, it's time to grind them into a delicious chutney. Carefully transfer the cooled mixture into your grinder or food processor. Add about 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts and a generous pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Grind everything into a coarse paste, adding just a few drops of water if needed to achieve the perfect consistency. Avoid overgrinding for best texture. For the grand finale, we'll add a flavorful tempering to our pachadi. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and a few fresh curry leaves. Sauté these until the mustard seeds begin to splutter and the urad dal turns a beautiful golden brown. Pour this hot tempering directly over your freshly ground pachadi and mix it in thoroughly before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.